We just got these numbers out. Now, these numbers tend to be pretty noisy. They bounce around a fair amount. At the same time, housing is as much as 18% of GDP. It's a pretty substantial portion of the economy. What is your initial reaction on whether this actually is a further data point indicating some softening in the U.S. economy?
So your initial open was right. It's a volatile series. You shouldn't read too much month to month. But there was downward revisions in the previous month. So it's the level that matters, and the level is much lower than people expected. I think that's just another reading that the air is kind of slowly leaking out of the balloon. Economic momentum's just flagged a bit. Now, maybe we were a little too optimistic early in the year, and we're getting back to reality. The reality being the trend rate, growth rate in the U.S. economy is somewhere between 1.5 and 1 3/4, and we're probably at the right run rate. It just doesn't feel very good being here.
Yeah, and Vince, to give us some historical perspective, I've got a chart here that I want to put up, and what it shows is new home starts as well as new home sales. The bluish color is the new home starts, the yellow is the sales, and as we'll see, it's come up significantly since 2011, but it actually is below the level even going all the way up to 1990. It has not returned to that level. What does that tell us what's happening? Obviously, there was a big turn down in 2007, 2008, 2009, but it's really not even back up to the 1990 levels.
Yeah, we have not bounced back from the financial crisis in the way that most economies do after a severe financial crisis. There's been a level shift. Part of it is demographics. We're an aging population, not increasing as quickly, don't need as big homes, don't need as many homes. Part of it is taste. Young people are staying in their parents' basement longer. The age of first home purchase is lengthened in the same way everything's lengthened in terms of when they first get jobs, how long they stay in college. So part of it is a level shift, and the problem with the level shift, it's a drag on activity while it's happening. But the reality is part of it we don't know. And I would also suggest that it's about financial intermediation as well. We made it more costly to buy a home in terms of mortgage availability.